Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to I was supposed to be knitting I-cord, but I don't have enough yarn, so I'm going to be using this. I have knit the hoodie, and I just did the tutorial yesterday, so if you want to go and check it, you're welcome to. So I'm going to be after this, I'm going to be doing another video on how to knit with 3 needles. Well, this is a circular needle to join this part right here of the hoodie. But before I do that, I did a double knitting, 6 stitches on the edge, and what I'm going to do is I forgot to make a buttonhole. So if you want to make a buttonhole, you're welcome, but there's plenty of room for this to go through. So you need needles like this, and then I'm just going to pick the biggest one. This is how I do it when I'm making hoodies. Again, if you have enough yarn, of course. Okay, so I'm going to point it here. Usually I make my own, but unfortunately I don't have enough yarn, and I'm planning to make a belt with this leftover to go through the blanket. Okay, when you knit double, you will notice that there will be double knitting will give you that gap between. So this is going to be perfect for this to go through, just like this. See, it's going through, and then you can tie your hoodie when you're wearing it. And I will put this on, and I will do a video shot, and I will post that on my Instagram page, and you are welcome to go and check it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is automatically I am going to go through here, just between, just like this. I wanted to do this before I close this part, so it won't be noticeable. Okay, this came out. So I'm going to come all the way here. Again, if you want to make a buttonhole, just for it to show off, to come it out, you are welcome to do that. But other than that, you don't have to. See, I totally forgot to do this one. Okay, so I'm just going to pull it out from here. Pull this. And then I'm going to make a knot automatically because I don't want it to go through the hole again. That happens a lot. Okay, so here I'll make 2 knots actually. You never know, right? I'll make 2 knots, so I don't want it to. Just like this. Some may have a huge knot. And pull it. Okay, so. And then make my other knot right here. And I am going to make another video on how to close up that top knitting. I looked if I had a tutorial. I don't know. It looks like I haven't done a tutorial because I have over 600 videos, right? And tried to find it, but I can't remember. Maybe I put the title different. Who knows, right? Okay, now we're going to I'm going to end this, and this is how you put. If I have knitted the I-cord, that would have been fantastic, but unfortunately I don't have enough yarn, but that's okay. This matches this as well. So this is a very short video on how to have your string go through your hoodie when you have knitted a hoodie on your cardigan, sweater, top. I would highly recommend you to make a double knitting here. I have 6 stitches here, but you can see the 3 stitches because it's double knitted. That's what it gives, because we don't knit the knit stitch, we slide it, and that creates that beautiful what happened here? Oh no, it's nothing. So it does go nice and smooth. So I would highly recommend you to knit double knitting on the first 6 stitches, or even 4 stitches would work. And yeah, so stay tuned for the other tutorial that's coming up next on how to knit with 3 needles. And that's what it says, to bind off, to give that nice finish, because I hate sewing. I hate sewing, especially I've been knitting top down, seamless, and I'm trying not to knit after knitting finishing. You know, it's a huge project and all that work you do, and you don't want to do the sewing at the end. Okay, so the next video will come up next. Stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy knitting!